Hello everyone, today in this video I will explain to you what is the physiological basis of stress. Stress is the psychological and biological response felt when encountering a threat that we think we do not have the resources such as wealth to deal with. Before the starting video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Firstly, I will explain to you that the physiological basis of stress. The physiological mechanism of stress is complicated. But this mechanism works with the involvement of two systems. They are the sympathetic nervous system and the hypothalamic-Pituitary-Adrenal system. At first, our body identifies the situation. Next, determine the situation whether stressful or not. The decision is based on sensory input and processing, what we see and hear in the situation, and stored memories, what occurred the last time when we were in a similar situation. If the situation identified as stressful, then suddenly the hypothalamus, which is at the base of the brain, is activated. Hypothalamus can be introduced as the in charge of the stress response. When a stress response is triggered, it sends signals to two other structures, the pituitary gland and the adrenal medulla. These responses are short-term and generated by the fight or flight response via the sympathetic pathway. But long-term stress is influenced by the hypothalamic-Pituitary-Adrenal system. In my next video, I will explain to you about the hypothalamic-Pituitary-Adrenal system. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in my next video.